These abstract vinyl sticker collages are so much fun. The great thing about this project is that you can save all those little scraps. There is no need to waste any of your pieces. This is a sticker collage that I've already started. I'm taking one of my scrap sheets of vinyl sticker and then I'm going to cut out a shape. You can cut out organic shapes, which are freeform shapes, or geometric shapes like circles, squares, triangles. When you place the sticker down, rub your finger along the top of it to make sure that it is stuck flat to the paper. You can use your scissors to trim off any pieces that are hanging over the edge. It takes a little bit of time to peel the sticker off of the backing, so I'm going to speed up the video so you can see how my artwork progresses. Keep layering shapes on top of each other. Cut out pieces from your scraps, all different types of shapes, and layer them. You can also use other shape stickers or little binder rings, like these. To make your picture interesting, cut out different sizes of shapes also. Some really small, some tiny, some medium, or large.